who said, "Only men can create genius solutions." There she was, Paula Tejano, sitting in her room, just thinking about life. Suddenly, she jumps up and runs straight to her brother's workshop. "I don't know how to weld, but I need to fix this joint." She looks at the parts, pauses for a second, and thinks, "What if I try this?" She grabs 2 wing nuts, adds a regular nut in the middle, tightens everything, and that's it. Strong joint, solid, secure, no welding required. That's not luck, that's smart thinking. And now, you can do it too.